Welcome back to the PSN channel. If you're familiar with this food right here, then I don't need to say what it is. But for those who don't know, this is
atutu,
which means in English
roasted plantain.
yes.
But it's not green plantain, it's very wrapped plantain.
Or the red one.
It's not really red.
Or the yellow.
Not really. It is wrapped, but it's not completely wrapped.
So in between.
In between, that's the one we use, which is the best.
So it's not quite Kalawale plantain.
Oh no, Kalawale, it has to be rotten for that.
So what has happened to this? Well, you've already said it's been roasted, but how has it been roasted and for how long?
I put in the oven, you know. I'll show you an example.
You can see this is hot. You can see the smoke rising. Alright, maybe not.
Here's an example.
Thank you, man.
That I used.
See, this is a perfect example of what my mum's described. When it's, you know, fresh, it's green, right?
It's off green. It's just.
But when it's ripe, it's yellow. So when it's green, it's hard, yeah, and when it's yellow, it's soft. And as you can see, it's in between. It's like turning yellow. Eventually, if you leave it too long, what will happen?
Become yellow like banana.
Exactly, you'll become yellow, and it's only good for Kalawale. Or
no, fried plantain.
how about impotompoto?
Fried plantain. Become yellow is fried plantain. It become dark. After yellow, it turn dark, which means it's for Kalawale.
Okay. This is a nice dish for those, you know, if you don't have a lot of money.
Hey, don't say that. Even your mama eat that.
No, there's no shame in saying that. I'm just saying, if you don't have a lot of money or a lot of ingredients.
This is for everybody in Ghana, lunchtime.
No, but what I'm saying is, this is for, you don't need a lot of ingredients for this. That's what I mean.
No. Straightforward.
And it fills you up.
Yeah.
A lot of alcoholics have this, you know. I'm being real. The apeteshi drinkers, they know about this. You know why? Because, you know, for a small fee.
Poor man food. Lunchtime, you've only got one cedi in Ghana. One like this to be what? Like 50 pesos.
And then you've got the nuts. Usually it's cashew.
No, it's this type.
Monkey nuts, yeah?
Yeah. It's
Okay.
dry now.
Alright, I understand. So do they peel it off already? Because I see it's in plastic in Ghana.
Yeah.
So they peel it off and then they wrap it in plastic?
Yeah, they make it easy for people.
Oh, that makes sense. So, I remember when I was in Kumasi in Abuja, and you know, going from apeteshi bar to apeteshi bar, and then you would see these sellers with it.
I know, some of them is getting down. I have to remove it.
Hey, food is still food. So what you do is, yeah, you have some of this, some of the nuts to chew in your mouth, and then you have water beside you to wash it down. And this water will expand all this chewed up food in your stomach, and it will fill you up. You know what I'm saying? And nuts are good because they have a lot of vitamin E in them. You know?
It's called enzyme.
And the plantain, because it's roasted and it's half ripe, it's not that bitter. It's a tiny bit sweet, but it's not too sweet, right?
No. It's in between. That's the same thing they use for eto. You know, the one you mash.
Alright, so I got it wrong. I said it in potompoto. So it's eto.
No. Potompoto is the same one like Kalawale type. And it's almost rotten.
Alright, so you can use it for the same.
You know, at this stage is for eto.
Alright, so I was right. It's when it's too ripe, it's for impotompoto.
Yeah.
But halfway through, this is eto.
Eto. Which is
very nice.
It's like mashed yam or mashed potatoes
Yeah, check the previous video. I have made a video on this. We have made it. It's very nice. Check through the history.
Oh, which one? Is it the one in Ghana?
Eto, we made it.
Oh, Eto.
We made it here.
Yeah.
But we haven't made it in Borodeɛ yet.
Yeah.
But you know, there's a lot of oil there, so.
This is.
So, is there any stories you can tell about this?
Well, if they go back to the history, I mean the video, they can see that there was a lady in Ghana selling.
Oh yeah, there's a previous video where we speak to a plantain seller, well, fried plantain or roasted plantain seller.
Yeah, it's exactly the same. This is homemade one.
Yeah, this is a homemade one. So for those who want to do this at home, how long do you roast this for, and what temperature?
Well, you put it on like 200.
200. What if it's a non-fan assisted oven? What if it's just a normal oven?
Normal oven.
Like what, gas mark and stuff like that?
Gas mark will be 6.
6.
Yeah.
So this means you'd also done this in Brixton.
I did.
Yeah, but you never gave me any.
No, you didn't know how to eat this.
More like you didn't want to give it to me. You thought this guy already has cornflakes and milk. This is for me.
This is more or less. It's the afternoon food.
Yeah, it's definitely afternoon food. Just before you have your appetizer to prepare you for dinner.
No. That's if you can't afford fufu, something with soup. That's what you go for.
Look, for all my people who can't afford fufu and soup, my heart goes out to you. I pray for you. I pray for you. No, seriously, I'm not joking. It's hard times out there. I couldn't imagine just being in Ghana and not being able to have soup.
I'm not surprised, you and fufu. You ate fufu twice yesterday.
You said there was fufu left for me.
You ate some before you went to bed.
Why would I reject it? It was waiting for me. It was like, oh, hey, Kwame, before you go to the asaso, why don't you chop me? And we can both watch TV together.
It went down so fast.
Oh.
I don't think it went through the TV.
I didn't even watch what I was watching.
The fufu was central attraction.
I said I was going to watch a certain documentary, and then I ended up eating it first and then watched the documentary.
Oh, that's bad.
Yeah, I had to.
Meaning the fufu was so important.
It was very important. But yeah, this is almost turned into a vlog, so I'm gonna end this now.
Yeah, you see, I'm breaking it. That's what we call it, monkey nuts.
Nuts. Is there a way of saying it? Is it?
We call it
adri?
groundnut.
Adri?
Nkateɛ.
No, I got that wrong. There's a way of saying monkey nuts though.
This is monkey nuts. Or
is it tiger nuts? That's adri. Or am I just making up that word?
Tiger nuts is something different as well. Yeah.
No.
You chew it and then you suck the juice out of it and you throw them.
I thought it was another name for that.
We have tiger nuts.
Alright. Then I guess it's just nkateɛ.
Yeah, this is nkateɛ. Once it's out of it, it's peanuts. We call it peanuts. And one is on the shelled is monkey nuts.
Okay, my mistake is it's just nkateɛ.
Yeah, nkateɛ with them was.
Because I thought nkateɛ was just the general name for all nuts.
Oh no.
But okay.
Yeah, nkateɛ is nkateɛ.
Well, actually, you know, one time I did see you, instead of buying peanut butter, I saw you grind some of this.
Yeah, if you do that, then that's the real one. There's nothing mixed in it. I used to peel some of this like as I'm doing, and then I'll put it on inside the pan and keep turning it, like stirring it for a while to, you know, brown it a bit, and then I'll ground it. And then when you do that, which means you're getting the real
McCoy.
Yeah. Because the ones that we buy from, from the shop or the market, it's been mixed with some other stuff, some of them. I like this. You eat these nuts. I eat these nuts once every probably 6 to 1 year. Because it's killing. It's nice. I like it. I try not to eat too often. Just once in a while. It's like eating chocolates or...
Yeah, nkateɛ can give you a lot of spots.
Yeah, it changes your look.
My mom liked nkateɛ and guai too much. Nkateɛ and guai.
I never had enough when I was young, so when I grew up, I thought, well, that's it then. Me cutting quite every time. Cutting quite every time.
Too much. You didn't make enough of bang kwai.
No, because my mom made so much of bang kwai.
And a bun bun and kwai. That was the one I didn't get too much because you had too much when you was growing up. Yeah,
brabru, I wouldn't do it because my mom, everything was a brabru with snails. Everything.
Live snails. I love snails. They're so soft. I don't like the hard one. That's when it's old. I like the soft one that's fresh.
The little ones.
I want it still alive before you chop it into the soup.
What are you, French?
No, I don't want it alive.
Would you eat frog legs?
What I mean is, when it goes into the soup, I want it to be alive, but I want it dead afterwards.
Obviously, it would die.
But some people kill it and then they leave it for days and then it's all dry. You might as well just roast it or something.
Well, they leave it. There's a reason why they leave it in a day, for a day or two. They salt it and leave it to ferment a bit for 2 days, and for that, after that, when you're using it for soup, oh my God, the soup.
Yeah, but those ones are still soft. I'm not talking about that one. I'm talking about the ones that people leave out to dry.
Oh, you mean
the ones in this country? Yeah, the ones that
Oh, we have a dry one. Dry one is to make dry when you're making soup. Some people prefer the dry one. It's got more flavor.
It has more flavor, but it's not nice to chew.
No. Me, I like it in the soup to give it flavor, but not for chewing sake.
I love this soft one that you can just chew and you can even swallow it. It's just beautiful. Anyway, I'm gonna leave the video here.
Yeah, because I'm so busy. I've just finished hacking, so I want to go and enjoy this.
But where's your insult?
Oh, I've got a full bottle there. Do you want to see it? Yeah, here. That's my insult. Go with that.
Okay.
Put a bit. 1 peanut. A bit more. Except you can't see my face. But
let's ask that question. When are you gonna show your face, Mom?
I will soon. Don't worry. Next year. Early next year. Don't worry.
Okay. I just thought I'd get that on camera. Put the pressure on you. But obviously, out of respect, I show respect to my parents. If they don't want to show their faces, it's up to them. The main thing is we're promoting Ghanaian culture. That's all I care about, really. That's what I do it for.
Okay.
So, peace. Any last words you want to say?
Yeah, that's it. I'm just going to enjoy it.
Alright, peace. If you like, dislike. If you haven't already, please subscribe. Peace.